Hello everyone, I'm Renu Kanegi from Ajay Astro Money Guru. I welcome you all on 9 December 2021. Today major economic news are Barclays plots Asia revival with strategic hires after hiatus. Barclays plans to make key hires in investment banking and wealth management across Asia next year as the British leader plots its return to some of the world's fastest growing economies after a 2016 restructuring. The bank, which is benefiting from a boom in deals and trading along with its Wall Street rivals, is seeking to rebuild in some of the markets it excited and is targeting China, India, Singapore, Australia to expand, according to Jaideep Khanna, head of Barclays Asia Pacific and India Chief Executive Officer. It is also hiring in Japan and Hong Kong. We are profitable in the region and are fully expected to continue in 2022. Khanna 56 said in an interview, "Our focus is going to be consistent, try and stick to the areas where we are strong. There are enough areas for us to drive returns today, and that's what we are focused on." Barclays is expanding in Asia after former CEO Jess Stanley unleashed a global round of job cuts 5 years ago that shuttered its cash securities operations across Asia. The bank had then scaled back operations in countries including Australia, South Korea, and Malaysia, but kept its prime brokerage and derivatives business in the region. Barclays in 2021 to 2022 is a very different business that existed prior to 2016, Khanna said. It is much more focused now, generating better returns with more local knowledge and more self awareness. The bank joins rivals such as HSBC Holdings plc and Standard Chartered plc in beefing up its presence in Asia with a focus on China as President Xi Jinping opens up one of the world's largest banking markets to foreign competition. Barclays has already made a number of strategic appointments in the region this year, including a regional head of distressed debt and special situation debt trading. In China, we are small. We see the potential and we want to continue to invest in calibrated and deliberated manner there, he said. Diversification in financial service is the holy grail that has saved firms. Unlike peers such as UBS Group AG and Citigroup Incorporated, Barclays currently has a small presence in China and operates through a single branch and a representative office. In India, where Barclays has the highest number of employees outside of the UK, the bank plans to invest just over $400 million to grow its corporate, investment, and wealth management businesses after a flurry of deals and investments in the South Asian nation, it said in August. Barclays is probably the one international bank of our size and stature that has the regional CEO based out of India. That gives a sense of how important India is, said Khanna. Barclays also plans to build up its private banking business in Singapore and investment banking in Australia by hiring locally, he said. The bank has a stake in Australian advisory firm Barrenjoey Capital Partners, which hired a number of prominent dealmakers last year from the banks, including UBS and JP Morgan Chase and Company. So that's all for today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.